Just a quick video to show you how to change the pump settings of how the chiller controls the pump. So really simple. You unlock the screen, tap sideways to the second screen, settings, and then the password is 223344. Confirm, and then you want to select the P3 setting. See there, main water pump, P1, P5 mode, P3. There we go. As you can see, this one's currently set to 2. We want to change the setting to 1, and the 1 setting means that the pump will run continuously. As long as there is power to the system, the pump will be on. Confirm. Back, and you can see there P3 has now got a 1 next to it. That means that the pump will run continuously as long as there is power to the system. All done.